ClickUp full setup tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to ClickUp.com. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If not, click the sign up button at the top right corner. Once you're on the home page, locate the plus button next to spaces and click it to create a new space. Enter a name for your space, pick an icon, and add a short description if needed. Then click Continue. Now, choose and define your workflow settings. This determines how tasks move through stages. Once done, click Create Space. You can create separate spaces for different teams or departments. Next, click the plus button again to create a new folder within your space. Type the folder's name and hit Create. Now it's time to create your first list. Click the plus button, enter the list name, choose the folder it belongs to, and click Create. Inside your list, you can start adding tasks, assign them to team members, set due dates, set priority levels, and much more. And that's it.